So as you can see over there, there's two on the line on top. They do manoeuvres. They manoeuvre around. It's like the RAF, like in Germany. But how they manoeuvre is very clever. These birds, stealth. I don't know. Sing the song, signal, and then they manoeuvre. They manoeuvre in. If you watch them, look over there. There's two over there doing a manoeuvre, RAF style. Like the RAF, look. There's one, two over there, sitting over there. One just dropped off, the far end one. There's two over there, straight up there. There's a couple going around on the right flank there, around the post. They're going over there. Some pigeons, I think, there. Quite nice. I like birds, man. They're mad. And there's three there in the hangar. You can see the hangar, couldn't you? Waiting for orders. Wanting, like tribes, and that's cool. Wish I was a bird. I like flying. I want to go on holiday. Bye.